Hello again, it's me, Donna, here with Saber Soaps. Thank you for joining me. Again, I'm filming this on my phone, so please don't hate me for the terrible quality of this video and my terrible editing. Please follow me on Instagram at sabersoaps. I put a lot of pictures of what's coming up, and I let you guys know when I've updated my Etsy shop if you guys are trying to grab anything. Today I'm going to be making some cupcake soaps, not edible ones. Don't eat them. Just soap that looks like cupcakes. And I just think it's a really fun and awesome idea. I like making soap look like things that's not soap. So today we are making Margarita lime soap cupcakes. I'm really excited about this. I really like this smell. Of course, it's crafter's choice. Got it at wholesalesupplysplus.com. By the way, they don't sponsor me or anything for any of these videos. I just think it's the most wonderful website if you're a beginning soap maker, an intermediate soap maker, or even an advanced soap maker. Like, if you do this professionally and you have a store and you don't use Wholesale Supplies Plus, then you're crazy, because it is fantastic. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get my lye water solution and my oils ready to go, and I'll bring you guys in and we'll see how we do. I am back. I've got everything ready to do the base of my cupcakes. I have my oil here. I'm just going to go ahead and add a tablespoon of SLSA. This is a plant-based, natural, pure SLSA. And I'm also going to go ahead and add my green mica, because the whole base is going to be green. I don't have a whole lot left. I'm just going to try and get as much in there as I can. I'm using my stick blender. I'm just going to mix it in just without even turning it on. I want to make sure that SLSA gets in there without foaming up or anything. Feel like that's pretty good so far. I'm going to go ahead and get my lye water in here. Nice and carefully pouring it into the stick blender so that it falls in without any splashing. Now I will turn on my stick blender for just a minute, and it's going to be really cool to watch these colors change. This is my Margarita lime fragrance oil. I've measured out exactly how much I need. I'm just going to pulse my stick blender a few times and then just mix it in manually. So now I'm going to quickly set up my silicone cupcake molds. I just line them up on the table. They don't need to be in anything or supported by anything. Now this base is nice and liquidy, so that will give me time to pour these all, and also they'll be nice and level for when I put the frosting on top. All of my bases are poured. They are a bit darker than I was hoping, but I didn't plan out very well, so I don't have the right color green, so this will just have to do. Maybe it'll lighten up once it's fully cured, so we're just gonna have to see. And I have some extra here, which I actually like, because once I mix up my piping's gonna be yellow, and I'm gonna drizzle this into my piping so you get a little bit of green inside of that yellow piping. I think that'll look really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause this for now. I'm gonna whip up my piping and I'll be back to you guys in just a sec. I have my piping ready to go here. I have my piping bag, which is a silicone piping bag, so I can reuse it. I'm just gonna pour this in here. You can see that nice green came out really well too. Not all of it, because I need some of the end there to be empty enough that I can grab onto it. I have this chip clip, as you can see here. I'm going to add another one to the end of it, the open end, like this. Now I have my piping in here. I have this little lid here. This is going to be my practice piping plate. It's always a really good idea to have one. It looks like these bases are perfect. Well, the base is ready to go, but the piping is not. It just wants to leak right out of there, so I've got to give it a few minutes. I've waited a few minutes. This looks like it's ready to start piping, so I'm just gonna give each one a little dollop in the center. That'll kind of be my little test, and also it'll help when I build up that icing or piping on the top. It'll help support the top layers of it. So let me give this a shot here. I got those big dollops on the middle, but it doesn't look like it's set up enough that if I pipe around it, I think it's just gonna slide right off the sides. So I'm still gonna wait a few more minutes. So let's give that a shot. I'll be right back. All right, it's a couple minutes later. Everything seems like it's gonna work. If not, we'll just have one messy cupcake and then we'll just wait a little bit longer. So let's give this a try. Lost one. Well, that's disappointing. Let me see if I can fix this. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be fine. Mama said there'd be days like this. This piping is a lot more set up at this point. We're just gonna really lay it on thick this time. Really overdo it. Hop. See? Not too bad. Booyah. Now, we're going to take some Epsom salts that I rolled in a little bit of this nice green mica, and we're going to just sprinkle those on like little Margarita salts that are green, because it's also lime. Margarita lime. Not bad for a near total destruction of my cupcakes. Alright, you guys, I'm really happy with this. Let's look at the close-up. That is freaking awesome. These came out so perfect. I cannot wait to unmold them and let you guys see what they look like tomorrow. See you in 24 hours. Alright guys, I'm back. It is about 24 hours later. I'm ready to unmold these cupcakes, and I already took a peek and they do look really cool. Alright, just so you guys can see that. That looks great. These are all coming out really good. There were the ones that got messed up. You can really see where it got all just slid down and messy everywhere, but hey, they came out all right still. I think people will still like them. Sure, I'll still get a few buyers. I love these silicone liners. I just got them on Amazon. Like, very cheap. Very easy to clean. Awesome. I just love that. Those green Epsom salts really pop. They really, really make a difference on this soap. This one you can really tell I messed up. But it's okay. That'll just have to be the back of it, right? And we'll just keep it, this one facing forward. This one too. Kind of slopped on there. But it's got, this side's still pretty. Thanks for joining me today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit the like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you loved it. If you really loved it, go ahead and hit the notification bell so you can be bothered every time that I make another video. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram where you can see more of my soaps and get updates about what I'm doing and updates of my shop, so you guys know when to buy your favorite soaps. Alright, I'm gonna go put these in my curing cabinet now, so I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye!